XRP is 3 letters. XRP. There is one master and commander of the XRP Army, as you guys know. I'm not a financial advisor. It's important to make sure you practice proper safety when you're putting on your helmet to go into trench warfare. And trench warfare, fellow XRP Armymen, is what we've been through since really Brian Armstrong tweeted about XRP not going on Coinbase back in the first 2 weeks of January 2017. Guys, you may not know this. XRP was the first altcoin I ever bought. And then for many, many years, I was against it because of the banker coin, even though I made money with it because I was stupid. I didn't know what I was doing. I was still learning everything in crypto. And guys, XRP hit $1.50 today. We were at lows of 40 cents just not that long ago. And so many people said, BitBoy. Well, now people refer to me incorrectly as the BitBoy. I can refer to myself as the BitBoy. And you can refer to me as the BitBoy. But when you speak directly to me, you call me BitBoy. If you say, hey, the BitBoy, you're not going to make it. You're not going to make it. But I digress. The point is, they said, you know, BitBoy, why do you not just give up on XRP? What, can you not see it's past its time? Can you not see it's done? Do you not see that everybody's moving on and that all the case is already basically over and nothing happened? Guys, we have been telling you that XRP is the standard for cross-border payments. It is, period. The banking system will be flush with XRP. And you know where they're going to have to get that XRP to settle their cross-border payments with? From you who held. And I'm not telling you your XRP is going to be worth $589 a piece. It's not, I don't think. What I am telling you is those of you who held through this are going to be rewarded. I told you guys that I believe that by the end of the year, XRP will be challenging new all-time highs. People laughed at me. I said that a few weeks ago. People laughed at me. And they always laugh at me because I'm funny, but also sometimes because they think I'm wrong. And that is also funny. Ha, ha, ha. Because I've been right about XRP for many, many years now. Oh, sorry, the settlement didn't come when y'all wanted it. Sorry. You know, a lot of people left this community. And if you were not in this XRP Army community, you are pointing and laughing from the outside. But our day is coming. Our day is here. Look at the day today. Look at the price. Look at the potential. Look at what Sologenic is doing. The XRP related project. It actually is on the XRPL officially. Now moving into RWAs and tokenization, which is the future. In the same way that I told you that XRP is the standard, I've also told you the biggest niche in this industry going forward is RWAs and tokenization. So now we have Sologenic getting into that world. Up 120% today, or 100, whatever it is, over 100% today, okay? And this is what we call the beginning of altcoin season. Guys, when you have a project that people know about and have heard of, almost 3x overnight, that's called altcoin season. So it's beginning. And I hope you got your bags packed. But for those of you who've been around for a while, I hope you've had it packed with XRP. Thanks, guys. That was a rant. That's not a low IQ rant. That's an XRP buzzer. CoreNest Capital, Sologenic's VC partner, invests in Texture Capital to collaborate and launch SoloTex, a new platform for trading tokenized real-world assets on the frickin' XRPL. And guys, this is serious. This is West Virginia news.
Ooh.
Tell your sister. Tell your sister before you kiss her goodnight. Okay.